Okay, so here I am inside. What I'm trying to do here with this big solar panel is simulate the absolute worst of worst solar conditions. Okay, and the concept is that it's a lousy day outside. I know it kind of looks good on the video, but in reality the sky is completely obscured with clouds. And then to make it worse, I brought the solar panel inside. Okay, and consequently, what you get from the solar panel right now is a complete undervoltage situation and undercurrent. So when I first tried it out, it was putting out about maybe 12.7 volts between 5 and 10 milliamps. Now, to begin with, your solar charge controller can't even handle that kind of an input. Secondly, even if it could, the line losses and everything included is just not going to charge your batteries. But it's interesting because there's actually a number of hours a day where this condition actually exists. For example, at 4 o'clock in the morning or 9 o'clock at night. Of course, this all varies depending on the time of year, everything else. There's actually many hours where undervoltage conditions occur. So what I've done here is I've just used cheap recycled capacitors, because that's all I have really right now. But just to illustrate that, that there's some usable power coming off of this, I've got this little Slayer tower set up here, and you can see that when I take the positive lead off of this capacitor bank, the negative lead is already tied over there to the negative of the circuit. You can see that I'll connect it, and you can see that there's some juice there. Okay, now these aren't super capacitors, so you can see it'll wear out. But the concept is that there's some energy definitely being wasted. I mean, it's still almost oscillating right now. It's about to give up. But if you were to take instead and have supercapacitors, although they are expensive, or maybe a better way to go about it would be just the appropriate amount of lithium-ion batteries. Might be a good way of going about it. Let's say 3 lithium-ion batteries. So, or maybe even 2 for like a 7.2 volt circuit. And then of course you need a detection circuit so that it breaks out of this mode and does its real job. But there's got to be a way to use that energy. I mean, I've waited how long now? We'll plug it back in. I'll show you. And it'll fire up again. It's some usable energy, and there's hours and hours of it every day. Anyway, just some thoughts. Thanks for watching.